Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get approval for a loan on MoneyMart in Canada. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all you have to open up an internet browser. So I'm just gonna open up Safari. You can open up whatever browser that fits your needs. It doesn't really matter, just open up your internet browser, go to google.com, and here you have to search for MoneyMart quick loan like this, and then you have to scroll down or just click on payday loans. And here unfortunately the website is not loading, but if you just click on it, this works for Canada only. So if you are in Canada and you click on this option, they will give you some simple prompts that you will have to follow, and yeah, you will get approved within a day or two for the loan in Canada. So make sure your information is proper and you do everything as they say. And that's about it guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Also guys, before I end this video, this works in Canada only, so if you are not in Canada, you will get an error similar to this. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Peace.